Hello everyone, my name is Tianyou. I graduated from Fordham University with a major in finance and minor in mathematics. My internship experience in Alliance Insurance Financial really motivated me to step into the quantitative finance industry. In that company, my title was a risk analyst, and because real estate plays a really important role in our company, my task was mainly about analyzing the risk level for potential purchasing target. And my first job was to analyze the attractiveness of several condos in the Upper Manhattan. But after getting all the information from several websites, I built a data set. And then I estimated monthly rent and made an exit plan. With all those data, I could make a discounted cash flow model and calculate the ROI. And those are easy for me. But the real challenge was to figure out which factors affect the value of our apartment most. As you can see, we can list a lot of factors that could easily affect the value of our apartment. And most of them could be quantified, like the area of the apartment, the number of bedrooms, and the area of the amenity space. With those concrete numbers in the spreadsheet, I could use the regression analysis and to calculate the relative coefficient, and then I could easily figure out which one affect the value of the apartment most. But there are also some factors that could not be quantified, like the internal design and the different government policy for a specific neighborhood. Well, absolutely, I can draw a conclusion based on the information from my experienced colleagues and the outcome from the tableau. But I do not think they are as reliable as the conclusion I draw from the quantitative analysis. So I wonder if I have enough information and to build a larger data set, then with controlled variables and a proper algorithm, am I able to quantify all of those factors? If I could make a more accurate conclusion. So I believe that accuracy was always a high pursuit in our finance industry. So I believe the quantitative finance could easily facilitate all decision making in the finance industry, and that's gonna be the future of the whole finance industry. So that's the reason I want to step into that industry. Well, apart from those quantitative analysis skills, I also developed my creative thinking skills in that internship. My company wanted to purchase several properties in the West Hampton Beach. So as one of the most popular resorts on the East Coast, we believe this project gonna be a really profitable project, and it could improve the whole ROI of the company's portfolio. So based on our target, based on our budget, I choose some target, and then I did a routine thing. I estimated monthly rent and build a new DCF model and calculate the ROI. But opposite to our thoughts, this ROI was not so optimistic, and it didn't reach the expected rate of return for our company. So this project seems like gonna be stranded. But I suddenly realized that when I did the background analysis, I found the daily rent fee on the Airbnb was so really high. So I think, why not to list our apartment on the Airbnb after we purchased it? So based on the information from the Airbnb, I calculate the average booking rate and figure out what is the reasonable daily rent fee. And then I rebuilt the DCF model and had a new return on investment. So this time the ROI was optimistic. And then I brought my thought to my supervisor and my boss. And my boss finally agreed to purchase one property for a 12 period. And then I was really happy to see that the project was highly profitable in the following month. So apart from developing my creative thinking skills, I learned to think issues from different angles from this internship experience. Sometimes there are some problems that could not be solved straightforwardly. But if we could think that from different angle, and then we could easily find that it could be solved and those unsurmountable problems are able to be conquered if we think from different angles.